Let's have a friendly competition to see if humans can do human things better or if animals can beat us. Starting with ping pong. Nice job, Cat. Let's move on to insurance scams, where you try to get hit by a car so you can collect insurance money. Man, that was pathetic. Let's see if this kitty can do better. Unfortunately, that cat pussied out, so we're all tied up. On to tetherball.
You gonna help, Ring? Oh my god, he has some serious air, doesn't he?
So animals have taken the lead, but can we get it back with competitive watermelon eating? And finally, to break the tie, let's go to an Olympic event, the hurdles. Thanks for watching, guys, and congratulations to Animals for winning 3